Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Questrade and whether or not you can withdraw funds anytime. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. Now, let's get into it. Can I withdraw funds from Questrade anytime? The short answer is yes, you can. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, there is a minimum withdrawal amount. This amount varies depending on your account type. For example, the minimum withdrawal amount for a standard brokerage account is $500. Second, there is a processing time. It typically takes 2 to 3 business days for your withdrawal to be processed. Third, there may be fees associated with withdrawing funds. The fees vary depending on the type of withdrawal and the account you have. Now that we know the basics, let's take a closer look at the different withdrawal options available to you. There are 3 main ways to withdraw funds from Questrade: online, by phone, by mail. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages. Online. Pros: fast and easy. Cons: may require verification. By phone. Pros: safe and secure. Cons: may take longer than online. By mail. Pros: secure and reliable. Cons: takes the longest. Once you've chosen a method, you'll need to provide some information, such as your bank account number and routing number. You may also need to provide a copy of your ID. Once your withdrawal is processed, the funds will be deposited into your bank account. In addition to the 3 main withdrawal methods, there are also a few other things to keep in mind. If you have a margin account, you may not be able to withdraw all of your funds at once. If you have a retirement account, there may be restrictions on how much you can withdraw. If you have a foreign account, there may be additional fees and restrictions. Now that we've covered the basics of withdrawing funds from Questrade, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of using Questrade. Pros: low fees, wide selection of investments, easy to use platform, excellent customer service. Cons: limited research tools, no phone support for non-US customers. Overall, Questrade is a great choice for investors who are looking for a low-cost, easy-to-use platform. However, it's important to be aware of the withdrawal restrictions before you open an account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on investing.